Let's make Asiago fettuccine. Also, thank you guys for a nice amount of views on my Cajun style fries video.
Nice!
With a knife, slice away 3/8 of a stick of butter or 3 tablespoons. To begin cooking the noodles, fill up the pot with 3.5 liters of water. Carefully put the pot of water on the stove and turn it to high until it's boiling. Once it begins boiling, carefully add half a pound of fettuccine. Eventually, it'll soften until it can all fit in the pot. Cook for 8 minutes or until al dente. After 8 minutes, drain the noodles through a strainer. To begin cooking, turn it on high and add 3 tablespoons of butter. Next, add 1.5 cups of heavy cream and wait until it's simmering. Turn it down to medium heat. After a minute, add half a cup of grated Asiago cheese. To season, add salt and pepper. Finally, add your fettuccine. Now, I made a slight mistake because I forgot to cook the noodles on high, so that's why it doesn't seem al dente, but your fettuccine should be al dente for the sauce to coat it properly. Stir the fettuccine in the sauce around for about a few minutes. And once you're done, quickly garnish with parsley. Alright guys, as you can see, I have my fettuccine alfredo for me. I would have liked to cook the pasta a little bit longer, but I was kind of in a time rush, so make sure to cook it on al dente for high. Should take about 8 minutes, but should be decent enough. Now let's try the pasta. Whoa, that's not bad actually. I can still taste a little bits of cheese because I used powder instead of grated. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. This thing's pretty delicious.